All right, how to make French press coffee. First, you're going to need some delicious coffee. Here I've got Cafe Cubano, which I got, it's all organic. I got it at Costco. You're going to need a grinder, which I got right here. And you're going to need a French press, which you can buy at any store like Walmart's. All right, so the first thing we got to do is we got to get some coffee and pour it into our grinder. That's our first step. Take the top off, and here we go. I want to get it just over that blade. Then you're going to put your top on, and we're going to grind it. I tilt it. I tilt it to get all the coffee in there chopped up. When I press down on this, it starts it. Now, sometimes it fills and cakes up in here in the top, so you want to stomp on it a couple times like that so it shakes loose. So there's all your coffee, all ground. And now what I do is I'll take my French press so I don't get the coffee all over the place, and I'll tip it over it like this. Then I'll just flip everything upside down. So I just kind of pop it a couple times and all the coffee falls in there. You don't get any on the countertop. And usually there's a little bit left in there, but not that much. And so there you go. You got all your coffee in your French press ready to go. And now we got to check and see if we're boiling. Not quite there yet, but as soon as that gets into a nice roiling boil, then we're going to pour it on the inside here and press her out. All right, you want this to come to a rolling boil. That means where all the bubbles are bubbling up. It's not quite there yet, although we get a lot of steam off of it. And it's getting there though. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pour it right in there. And then this thing here we're going to push on top after about 4 minutes and squish down the coffee. And then you're going to have unbelievable, delicious French press coffee. Oh, looking good. I think we're ready to go. It's boiling really well. Pour it over here. And we're going to go ahead and just pour that right in there. Now we have to let it sit for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes have gone by. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take and slide our press in there. And you want to make sure that the front of it's in here so that the coffee can pour out. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to push down on the press. And it's just going to basically press all the grounds down. Bam, done. Now we're ready to go ahead and pour it. So what we got to do is grab ourselves a nice cute little glass. We're going to get our Cafe Du Monde glass. Bring her over here. And there we have it. Delicious French press coffee from the land of Cuba. Bam. You can add sugar, or you can add cream or some almond milk to taste, but that's going to make one delicious cup of black coffee. Perfect for psychopaths. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of other cooking videos in there and a bunch of how-tos, because there's a lot of stuff that people don't know how to do.